Welcome guys to another video. In this video we will see how we can install Apache in Ubuntu or Ubuntu server through our terminal. After installing Apache in just few steps, we'll also go with some bonus service commands to configure our Apache service. So let's install our Apache web server. First of all, we need to update our advanced package tool, sudo apt update. After updating, we can use sudo apt install Apache 2 command to install our Apache 2. So after Apache has been successfully installed, we can use our status command to check the status of our Apache 2 service. For this, we can use sudo service apache 2 status. So it now says that the Apache is right now in running status and it's been active since 1 minute 4 seconds. So to get out of this status output, just press Ctrl C. As our Apache HTTP web server status is active, so we can also check this output in our browser. For this, we can use HTTP localhost in our web browser. So here we can see our Apache web server output at localhost port 80, which is right now pointing at our HTML folder. So let's get back to our commands to manage our Apache service. For this, we have a couple of commands over here to start, stop, restart, enable, and disable Apache service. So let's try each of them and see the results. So if we go up with sudo service apache to stop, it will stop our Apache service. Now we can check the status of our Apache service again, and it says that Apache service is right now in an inactive status. Similarly, press Ctrl C to get out of this output. Now if we want to start this, we can simply use sudo service apache to start, and it will start our Apache 2 service. Now checking again the status, the Apache 2 service is now in active mode and it is started 5 seconds ago. So if you want to restart your Apache service, you can use sudo service apache to restart. So it will restart your Apache service, and then checking out the status. So now we can see that this Apache service is restarted and it's just 2 seconds ago. It will first of all stop the service and then start it again. So whenever we make a change in our Apache configuration, we can use this restart command to make our changes effective. After that, we have a service disable command. So if we want our service not to start automatically after a computer or server reboot, then we can use this disable command. After that, we have a disable command. This command will prevent Apache from starting automatically after a server gets started or reboots. So after using this command, if we see the status of our Apache service, we can see that Apache is still active, but it also says that this service is disabled. So this service will not be started whenever a server is restarted or the server boots up. So if we want to add Apache in the list of services which will be started automatically when the server boots up, then we can use this enable command. After that, if we see the status of our Apache 2 service, we can see that this service is now enabled. So it means that Apache 2 service will be started automatically when the system starts. Thank you for watching this up. You can find all these commands on a link in description. Till the next video, goodbye.